Are you looking to define the right approach that improves your employees' connection to their work and your company? Look no further than SlideTeam's premium employee engagement PowerPoint presentation that fosters a culture of collaboration and teamwork. Use this presentation to boost the success of your team and organization. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. But how do you engage your employees at work? To begin with, make newcomers feel comfortable and assign them a mentor to answer their questions and handhold them. Set theme days to encourage creativity and fun in office. Use this content-ready PowerPoint template to design employee engagement activities such as clicking team photos, encourage charity, innovation, celebrate milestones, and more. Dive into the world of employee engagement with our detailed PowerPoint presentation. It's just a click away. Download from the link below. This is a top-notch PowerPoint presentation to help you create in-house mentorship opportunities and motivate employees to contribute to their best efforts. Develop a strategic and actionable growth roadmap, recognize top talent with personalized appreciation notes, and celebrate them. Deploy this custom-made and ready-to-use PowerPoint template to employ effective group learning strategies that increases productivity, efficiency, and profitability. Employee engagement has a significant impact on employee performance. Engaged employees are more likely to exhibit higher productivity and better results. Therefore, download this pre-designed PowerPoint presentation to impact the organization's work culture for accelerated growth.